In this video, we will show you what happens when your customer buys prize draw tickets, which is also known as an online raffle. Your community can purchase tickets for your prize draw in the same way they can purchase other tickets and products. If you use the event template to create your prize draw, then you will see available for sale all the bundles that were automatically created in your shop page. They will also find the information on the free entry route, which is required by the Gambling Commission. Once your customer has entered a quantity into the quantity field and clicked the Add to Basket button, they would then click on the Basket button to go through the checkout process. To ensure compliance with UK gambling laws, they will then be presented with the prize draw terms, which they can read here and then must agree to before they continue to check out. They can then review the pricing breakdown and check the checkbox to agree to terms and conditions, and then click on the Continue to Payment button to make payment. When the order has been completed, everyone will receive their tickets in their order confirmation email. They can also download them from My Account under Orders. All customers will be sent the number of tickets they have purchased. For example, if a customer purchases a £1 ticket and a £5 ticket, they will receive 6 e-tickets with unique numbers. And that's it, you have now successfully seen what happens when customers buy prize draw tickets. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to adding classes. Thanks for watching.